is Salsa Rejan Roma dari kelas 8C. Today I would like to give up to a short commentary about the narrative text The Lion and the Mouse from the Bupena book. 1. Character. The main characters is the story are the lion and the mouse. The lion is described as strong, powerful, and feared by other animals. Meanwhile, the mouse is small, weak, and often underestimated. Even though they are very different, but characters play an important role in the story. 2. Setting, place, and the time. The story takes place in a forest where many animals live together. The time setting is not specific, but it happens during the day when the lion is resting and another moment when the mouse comes to help. A summary constellation of the story. The story tells about how a small mouse is caught by a lion, but the lion lets it go. Later, the lion gets trapped in a hunter's net, and the small mouse comes back to help by beating the ropes. In the end, the lion is saved, and both of them become friends. Moral 4. Moral value. The moral value of the story is that kindness will always come back to us. It also teaches that no one is too small to make a difference, and we should never look down on others. That is all my commentary about the story The Lion and the Mouse. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.